Alright, boys. Just I want to make $0 today. I decided to break even on my trade. It's my first time back to props. I took a 3-month break, just completely uh paper trading. A lot of stuff to kind of think about, I guess, on my trading. So I'm just gonna go over today's trade. We were bullish bias, not bullish, sorry, bearish bias today. That's because market open, it was bullish. No, not market open. Yesterday when market opened, it was bullish, looking bullish. And midnight open, it reacted off of this daily fair value gap and went down the entire night. And so I was looking for a bearish setup, which was right here. All of the sessions, by the way, were taken, and I wasn't planning to trade because of that reason. It tends to consolidate, like right now, just a barcode. But I tried this trade today, and I set my limit right over here in this order block, and that shit didn't get filled. I don't know if it's just trading view or what, but from now on, I think I might just enter on. Yeah, this was it right here. I think I might just enter on Tradevate. I think that's the meta here. God damn, because I am not getting filled. And that would have been such a nice setup, but because of like entering late, I didn't have the confidence on my setup. And so I ended up just breaking even. But it would have hit for sure. For sure it would have hit. My initial entry was on this line, purple line over here, for a 1 to 2. Since it's a low probability day, all sessions we got taken out. That's my rule. Whenever all sessions get taken out, either I don't trade or risk light if I see a good trade. And today I decided to do light today, light risk. I just did one micro, going for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, so like 500. But I just went above this high over here, entered here. Oh, well, I was supposed to enter here, but my shit didn't get filled. So this is what I would have traded, but this gave me the confidence, like if this shit don't work out, then I don't know what the 250, it's not too bad of a risk, and I lost. It's a lot lost. Sorry, but yeah, my shit didn't get filled, so I was like, fuck, man. And then I waited for this candle to go down. It entered somewhere here. Where was it? Yeah, right here. So like right there. And I just went for a 500 instead of like, I think this was a 300, 400 stop. So I entered off like right here and went above this. There was a fair value gap here, by the way. Kind of went above this fair value gap. And as you guys can see, you guys can see in the video, I didn't talk in that video just because someone was sleeping on my couch and I didn't want to wake him up, so I didn't talk. I typed, but I didn't talk. My stop loss or take profit was right here. Stop loss above this fair value gap, and initially I was going for this as my target, this fair value gap, but I think I would have stopped right here because low probability I would have just stopped. I'm not really confident in my trade since I entered late. And so when I saw this shit, I was like, I'm just gonna break even. And I stopped right here, right on this candle. As soon as I stopped recording, that bitch went down and took this low. Oh my god. But I followed my rules. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my decision, I think. I knew where the market was going. Bearish. So bias was correct. The narrative was correct. All the sessions were taken. Market went up. There was a fair value gap here. As you guys see, shit pops up. And yeah, I was waiting for these. There's a fair value gap, bearish fair value gap here as well. Waiting for these and these fair value gap to get hit and waiting for a reaction off it. And it did. made a reaction. I set my buy sell limit here, but I didn't get filled. I don't know if that's trading view or Tradeovate's issue or trading view issue, but I think I'm looking forward to just enter on Tradeovate here, because oh man, it would have been a nice trade. How can the thing is I don't know how do I fucking draw? God damn. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to draw on this bitch. And it's a 25,159. I'm sure that would have hit for sure. And now it's just going down again. You know, consolidation, of course, but I could have taken that trade. I kind of like, I don't know. Afterwards, I'm just like, damn, I could have made 1,500 today if I, not 1,500, but at least 500 or some shit like that, or 400. Like something, you know? But yeah, you know, pretty happy, but at the same time, my head's telling me, you could have made this shit this much. You could have made 1,500 today. Oh yeah, and like my mentality or psychology wasn't there when I saw this consolidation here, and so I kind of went break even. And yeah, I didn't FOMO or nothing. You know, I didn't enter right when I saw this, nothing like that. So pretty good, pretty good. I'm also debating whether to enter off on mini instead of micro, but it's an evaluation, you know. I don't know if I should start off easy and slow or just speed run it and like just enter off one mini and like, you know, hope for the best. Because this wasn't a good risk to reward for me. I was going to risk if I'm entering on NQ, I'm gonna risk at least 500 just because I don't have that much drawdown, 2,000 drawdown, and that's not really gonna satisfy my risk to reward. Yeah, so micro, it was good going for micros, but it's just not, it was not a good market price action today. Really comes down to psychology and whatnot, but I was hoping I could take this trade. Oh man, that really fucked me up, bro. Like mentally, I'm like, why the fuck didn't it hit? It's right there, bro. Come on, I might just trade on Tradeovate, bro, or enter off Tradeovate, cause that's so frustrating. But it's part of the game, man. There's more, you know, more opportunities to come. It's not like the only opportunity that I have. So whatever, you know. But yeah, that's about it. Peace out.